Alright guys, so we're gonna open 150k worth of packs, see what we can pull. Hopefully we can snag an elite or that new Marshall Lynch that came out. So let's get on to it. Actually, wait, forgot to put the music on. Alright, first pack, see what we can pull. Get DJ, so we get AJ Hawk because they're in gold. Really looking for if we could pull that Marshall Lynch. Really nice. Goes for roughly around 700k right now. Above or below 600k right now. It'd be really nice. But I didn't even get to pull last week's team of the week, Rob Gronkowski. I still haven't pulled him till now, or still haven't pulled him. Alright, so we're not pulling anything worth of value yet. Hopefully it changes up. And nope. Alright, see if we hit from the back. And nothing. Let's see. Well, we get an update team, and we pack an elite, but it's really not gonna elite. That's the most shittiest elite I think to pull in packs. But anyway, it's an elite, so not bad, I guess. We got at least packed an elite. Let's see, we have around 110k left to do, somewhere around there. We got Mash Job, and we get 80 overall. Really hoping to pack that Marshall Lynch, like I said before. Really beastly card. Alright, got to the 100k. I didn't get to see what card that was, but it was a gold. Nothing here. 86 overall. Alright, next pack. I only pulled one elite so far. We got Chris Johnson, a really good halfback. Best me, 95 speed. And like 97 agility stuff. Some crazy stats like that. Really cheap too. Alright, next pack. We did not get an update team. So really bad for that. Sorry guys if I'm not that loud in this video. Alright. As we get our gold out of the gate. And we're not pulling much anything. Alright. So we do reveal all, as we're not packing anything there either. Nothing. We get 84 overall. Roll to the playoffs. And we got like 3 more packs. Hopefully we can clutch it with something nice. Really highly doubt it, as we get a LeSean McCoy elite. So we have pulled 2 elites so far. Instead of LeSean McCoy, the Chris Johnson is basically the same stats around there. And it goes for way cheaper. If you guys wanted to pick him up, or pick Chris Johnson up, really good halfback. So you pack 2 elites. Probably both of them don't go for that much. LeSean McCoy goes for a fair amount, but not enough to pay for this pack. Oh, I think Jason McCurdy is one of the expensive ones. That's pretty good, dude. Then it goes for around 80k or 50k. I can't remember, but that card goes for a good amount. Alright, let's see. Clutch with the last pack. Nope. Beast mode. Just not in this pack. Let's see with 3 more. Come on, Beast mode. I know you want to come out. Come on. Alright, not happening. Last 2 packs. Come on, Beast mode. This actually this ended up as a 200k pack opening because it started with 170k plus these. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it as a 200k pack opening. And we're gonna end it with Desmond Trufant. It wrote playoffs card. So we pulled 2 elites and a gold that goes for a lot, because in the captain say. So LeSean McCoy roughly, let's say about 35k to 75k, somewhere in that area. Tom Ali about 25K to 35K. Jim McCarty about 50K to 100K in those areas. This card goes for about 8K to probably 20K, somewhere around there. That one probably goes. I never really looked up that card. Probably goes for something though, like 4 to 12K, probably more. I think that's for watching. Leave a like, subscribe for more. If you guys want to see a large quick sell opening, hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching. See you.